Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a really easy Christmas ball that you can leave plain like this or just add a bow at the top. Decorate with some silver tinsel or some fun yarn with a star, fun yarn with tiny stars, just some regular blue yarn with little stars, or some plastic canvas cord. So let's get started. I'm working with Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain. So to make a chain, all you do is pick up the yarn and pull it through. Okay, so you work a foundation chain that will wrap around the ball from one point to the opposite point. If you don't have a styrofoam ball, you can ball up some wire and then wrap it in aluminum foil. Like that. And then you can roll it until you get it into a nice round shape. And then just make sure your chain goes from one side to the other. And after you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to slip stitch in the first stitch and in the next stitch. And then you're going to single crochet across the row. To work a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. You're going to work across, but in the last two stitches, you're going to slip stitch. Okay, I have two stitches left. I'm going to slip stitch and slip stitch. Chain one and turn. Now you're going to slip stitch in the first stitch and in the second stitch, and all the way across the row except for those last two stitches. We're going to work a single crochet in the back side of the stitch only. So single crochet all the way across, working only in the back side of the stitch. And when you get to the end of the row, you have two stitches left. You're going to slip stitch in those two stitches. And this one is always easier to pick up from the opposite side like that. And slip stitch. And you're going to continue to work that same row over and over. So I chained one and turn, slip stitch, and then work across the row, making a single crochet in the back loop only. Like that, all the way across the row. And there's my last two stitches. I'm going to slip stitch and slip stitch. And you're going to keep working that until you have a piece that looks like this. And it will wrap around the ball like that. Like that. Thread my yarn end into a needle. And first I'm going to gather this end. So I'm going to weave through that end. And then pull that tightly to close it. And take a couple of stitches to secure it. And then sew all the way down the side. I'm just going to match my stitches. Like that, and leave those stitches open so you can get your ball inside. Slide the ball inside and weave through this end. Pull to close it and take a few stitches to secure it, and there you'll have a covered ball. And now you can make a hanging loop here. And there you'll have a round ball that's ready to use. So now you can decorate this ball any way you like. And I took some glittery ribbon and I made 2 small bows, and I'll attach one on each side of my hanging loop like that. And you can either sew those on, attach them with the glitter stem, or hot glue them in place. You could start wrapping this around your ball and just follow along one of the grooves. So I tied that around and I followed along one of the grooves. Like that, just keep wrapping it around and around. And then you can hot glue that end and attach the little bows at the top, like that. Or you could wrap some of these other things around the ball. This is just some fun yarn. And this is just some Christmas tinselly trim, silver plastic canvas cord, or even just some regular yarn. Here it is with this glittery trim, and just with some plain blue yarn. And there you go. There's some quick and easy Christmas tree balls that you can make. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.